While the assembled bed cabinet is still laying on the ground, we will install the Easy Levels. The Easy Levels are shims that allow you to level out the cabinet in case of uneven floors. To begin, you'll place one of the Easy Level mechanisms next to the metal bracket for the front kick. Next, screw in the 3 1 1/4 wood screws through the allotted holes of the Easy Level using your number 2 Phillips drill bit. The level should be flush with the bottom edge of the side panel. Please note, be careful not to over-tighten the wood screws. Only tighten to good and snug. You don't want to crush or damage the Easy Level casing when fastening it to the side panel. Now, repeat this same procedure for the opposite side. The last step is to hand tighten in the control bolts. So, if necessary, you can adjust the Easy Level mechanism with a number 2 Robertson screwdriver once your cabinet is upright against the wall. Installing these shims is critical even if you think you have even floors, as in reality, most are not perfectly even and the bed needs to be installed on a perfectly even floor in order for it to close properly.